one right here keep on burning out and coming loose from me hitting potholes. Every time I hit a motherfucking pothole, it's coming loose and it's losing power type shit. Not losing power, it's cutting off. This is the fuel line, he said. The fuel, what the fuck you call it? Thing that go back there and it turn the goddamn gas on and off, goddamn it. So I got some good news and I got some bad news over this goddamn week. When it come down to my How You Riding page, man, a lot of people don't like that I post every goddamn thing, but to me, I want y'all to see the good and the bad. We not gonna be on here making it seem like we some rich niggas, like we some thousandaires around this motherfucker, like our cars don't fuck up, and when they do fuck up, it's fixed the same day. No, I show y'all every motherfucking thing, and sooner or later, y'all gonna see a bill. My hood ain't gonna look shit like this sooner or later, and y'all gonna be able to say that y'all remember when I had some shit. You know what I mean? When wires was every motherfucker where with my goddamn fuel pump, the power line kept on disconnecting and shit. And I kept on breaking ball joints and shit. Y'all gonna remember all this shit. So I don't show just the good. I like to show it all. When it's fucked up, when it's riding good, how it fucked up, how we fixed it. All that shit. Y'all might go through the same damn things. Cheap ass niggas trying to come down here for a motherfucking rescue. I'm down here tearing my shit up. Oh, I got KG bean head ass. Oh, shit. Damn, Jesus. KG, god damn. God damn. That rap something serious, man. But yeah, I'm gonna show Skinny Weed what I fixed and have him rap it. What do you do? D-Nails.
Yeah,
Dog, that motherfucker is bright.
Bro, fuck that. You cheaping the motherfucker.
How I'm cheap? Cause I'm fixing my shit in the hood.
This nigga
Look,
cool.
I unwrapped it and I just put that on tight.
This nigga rich.
It start right up now.
You rich and you ain't fixed that.
Yeah, Who rich? You. Shit. Where y'all getting this shit from?
Success.
Shit. Not check. Look at this little big head. You can't be egging this nigga off.
So you
I keep on pulling this wire out. Yeah, I should be good now. It was stripped. I fixed that motherfucker. It was barely touching, It was like two little strings holding on. I'm like, oh shit.
And now take it. Shit.
What you just do with my tape? You just walked off with it, cheap
That was
ass.
some cheap ass tape.
But that was the electric tape. Oh, it's right here.
That's better.
That's what I was using.
Why don't we just change that, bro?
Why don't you? Shit, when?
God damn, you're having a session.
I'm trying not to get it on camera. I'm trying not to swing that camera.
I don't get no fuck.
Swing that camera.
That's the reason why the mechanic can't fix this.
Talking shit about my diamond. Get that motherfucker.
Dude said it's having a session.
Hey, what you say to
What you say about that smoke that was coming out the roof?
No,
Hell no, he killed me with that.
hey, KG said he thought the smoke was coming out the roof.
I thought y'all was smoking that bitch for real.
Hell no. You got 100 house in that motherfucker.
Smoke
420.
yo.
It's a fog machine. That's usually, but that's how the mechanics be on it though.
And got the radiator.
Got the radiator, got the tools to do it, got the time to do it. Just don't do it. I was kidding. What's Sean at?
He in the car with his brother.
where the fuck you go.
We all caught the light. We all caught the light. So we couldn't do shit.
Which
Once
way
we
y'all
caught the
took?
light, he had to leave.
Duty didn't stop the
Which way y'all took?
Then we dipped off on 19 and came through the neighborhoods. I caught duty. I caught duty them on local shit. Yeah.
But I love, bro, me and Duty did that shit. I love that shit. Me and Duty did that coming from here to there. We took all side streets. When I tell you that was the best ride,
It do be.
we was going 20.
Because everybody
Just
looking
cruising.
like, damn, that was a good ride. Everybody like, we just came down that street.
Hey, look, they doing this, bro. They doing this and this and shit.
That's why y'all just jumped up to come
All the
help
hoes
me.
stood up.
Yeah, like hell yeah, we finna go take this ride.
Been sitting on the porch.
Shit to do.
Sitting on the porch all day waiting on you.
Nothing to do.
Nah, it ain't been all
Everybody
day.
pulled. It was like
It was at
20
the
in
lake.
there.
It was the lake.
Right, we was waiting on your cheap ass.
KG shit sound good as fuck. He almost sound like you. What's your cheap ass song? Oh, what, Mac, that motherfucker sound good, don't it? He got that motherfucker hidden. Why y'all do bro like that?
Oh, that's why.
Why y'all do bro like that? How you doing?
What's up?
Uh-huh.
gathering, I'll say. It's called a fun day. And it's got food, games, music, vendors, you name it.
What day is that?
That's Sunday.
You on YouTube?
This Sunday?
Yes. For 12 to 4.
What we got for this Sunday?
If you don't
Black
mind to
Sunday.
drive your car there.
We definitely can support it.
Yeah, we most definitely could do that.
Kids down there, having
We definitely gonna support
supplies
it.
and stuff like that, food, so just music.
Okay.
I got Quest too, so
I know that's
You
right.
stupid
Hey, that'll help.
Sorry.
always do something for the
Every
church.
little bit.
He always saying something. Y'all do your car shows too?
Yeah.
Y'all do? Oh,
I'm gonna
okay.
link up with y'all on Friday.
Come on in.
Yeah, I got
Sunday, fun day on the 14th.
Oh, okay. This is split. All right.
Yeah.
We're gonna tow this one because it don't drive.
He be hating.
No, I'm lying. It just ain't one of the fastest ones like that one over there. That orange one, y'all ain't even see that one yet.
The orange one.
Yeah, y'all ain't see that orange one over
Cause it's
there.
dirty. He's over there bleeding in with the trash.
Yeah,
What you do, bro?
like the blue
You
one.
good?
It dirty too.
You good? That's why you was driving slow. Yep, we got you.
You finna run off, ain't you, with them 2 feet?
Said I almost didn't have my foot breaking that dude out.
Really?
Right.
We in front of the church. Damn. Donnell ain't got no manners. Donnell ain't got no damn manners. Huh? Dude said we gonna pick his hair. That's how you gonna punish him. I was gonna say he got automatic start. I thought he was over here starting stuff up. I was insane. Hold on now. He got on a skinny wheat belt.
This transmission leak
Who
is
said he got on the skinny wheat belt?
The belt. Ah,
This is said Vui Latin.
Vui Latin. It said Baton Louis.
I'm Vice Lord. Yeah, all right, motherfucker.
Baton Louis. You hint. But yeah, man, we outside, man. It's been a nice goddamn Wednesday. If y'all don't know, on Wednesdays, I be at Gold Diggers on Wednesday nights. If y'all in Milwaukee area, shout out to my boy Tone, Mr. Gold Diggers. That's exactly what we be at, man. We be down at the goddamn, one of the #1 strip clubs in the goddamn city. I call it #1 because it's in the inner city. It's hard to find a strip club in the inner city that's been around for a long time, you know what I mean? Because it's bars and nightclubs and shit that's opening up. They can't last a goddamn year out on the north side street. So for Gold Diggers to still be there doing their thing, man, I feel safe being in there.
Bro, you disrespecting
Yeah.
me.
Huh?
You said what?
He said, this your ride home.
He got his keys.
You fucking ugly, dude.
Skinny, when you can't run.
We outside like a motherfucker, man. Box Chevy out here riding. You know what I mean? I'm gonna get them motherfucking my transmission wire fixed tomorrow. Not transmission wire. What the fuck is it called? It's called the gas. It's called the gas. The fuel pump. The fuel pump goddamn sensor. You know what I mean? That goes up to the memory board to tell that motherfucker to turn off and turn on. It's kind of fucked up. My shit ran out of gas. Gas?
Yeah.
Not the same spot where my shit caught on fire.
Yeah, I ran again.
We took a nice ass ride today, man. I love my city, man. I know after all the little bullshit that be going on and all that shit, not saying I ain't gonna do no more car meetings, shit like that because of the hate that's out here and shit like that. But fuck all that, man. I got more love than I got hate in the city. So I can't stop this shit, man. We on the lane after Larry's Fun Fest. You know what I mean? We on the motherfucking lane after Larry's Fun Fest this Sunday. If you don't know where the lane is at, the lane is on Richards and Capitol, between Capitol and Keith. That's what we gonna be at. It's going down. We'll get the lane cracking for the one time. Fuck the haters. Fuck the negativity. Y'all gonna keep that shit where you sleep at. You feel what I'm saying? But as far as the how you riding TV shit, we ain't stopping for no sucker shit. You know what I mean? We ain't stopping for no sucker shit. That's towards my house, man. Come on. I'll pull up on you. Happy birthday,
we
nigga.
over there. No bullshit.
pull up on you. Happy birthday, nigga.
Right now. Swear to God, I ain't gonna lie to you. Man, we turned up. Good looking.
He said you got big bottles. Do say on do say.
Man, we straight.
Do
I
say,
swear to
make it
God,
hold,
I'm
do
so
say what I
motherfucking
say.
lit.
You feel what I'm saying?
I'm so motherfucking lit. I
Yeah.
swear to God.
How old
I
you
swear
turn?
to God,
19?
25, you hear me?
25?
OG, big OG.
Yeah, nigga, yeah.
Big OG.
Yeah.
God.
I hear you mom that bitch on sixes, but
Things stinging.
he's the thing,
Them hoes are thing.
Thing, ring around that motherfucker, boy. He got them shoes looking good. I was finna get these for the box. I mean, for the truck, y'all. I was finna get these rims for the truck. But yeah, man, we still outside. We still outside, man. We got everybody with us, man. We outside with this shit. Got my boy Rick out here. He always rolling up some smoke. Every time you see this nigga, he rolled up some motherfucking smoke, man. Big act that came out not too long ago. This ain't even it. It looked like it. This is 2019. You did what I'm saying. But his shit is up there because it looks just like that. You feel what I'm saying? So you on that? We ain't on that. We partying.
People block.
That's what we on. Okay. We ain't on none of that bullshit, man. Keep the negative energy in last month. You feel what I'm saying? That's how we gonna do it.
You want me to calm down? I calm down.
Yeah, we keeping everything cordial around this motherfucker. We player. We super player. Until nigga ruffing the feathers. It's gonna be a lot to do that. But we enjoying life, man. I want to thank everybody that been watching my videos, man. For real though. No matter how many views I get, no matter how many of y'all sharing that shit to Facebook and shit like that, you just clicking the video is love. And I fucks with y'all. You dig what I'm saying? For the ones that sharing the videos. I be going on it on my timeline and shit like that, just searching Glazing with TJ and shit like that on Facebook, and I be catching plenty of y'all posts that I'm not even friends with that be sharing my shit to different car groups and shit like that, and sharing it to people's timelines and shit like that.
These niggas out here talking about.
Rims you supposed to get. I was trying to put you up on game.
11.
I know, but
Come here, 11.
No.
11.
I told you we were low price. You know what I'm saying? Great
That wasn't
value.
low.
Listen, that's because he was talking to you, but I could have been like, hey, bro, let me get him. You know what I'm saying? You know, oh, bro, we could work a deal.
It ain't too late. No, he got them on. He ain't taking them off.
I don't know, man. Everything for sale.
You got my boy out here.
On that, though.
You got my boy out here on crutches because he been standing on niggas' necks for too long. You feel what I'm saying? He got. You know how you sleep on your neck and it get fucked up? He got a crook in his ankle. You feel me?
I'm gonna call you.
Hey.
We out here. We gonna be out here for at least about 10 minutes.
You know how you lay down for too long and you get a crook in your neck and he got a crook in his ankle for standing on the bitch for too long.
Y'all be nowhere else.
Because right now we in the hood.
They be where they be on YouTube.
Hey, where we at right now?
In the hood.
Like a motherfucker. If I told y'all where we was at right now, y'all be like, damn.
Don't go there after dark.
Don't go there after dark.
Don't come to this hood after dark.
Yeah, don't come to this hood after dark unless you got a face card. You feel what I'm saying? Them 30s looking pretty and they dirty. They dirty as shit. Everybody be talking about the car, talking about I got John Doe rims and shit. My shit is how you ride, man. It's how you ride, man. It's how you motherfucking ride. I'm gonna change my rims real soon. Y'all know how they be yelling? They be like, his rims, see what he said? Spending all that money on the motor with them cheap ass rims. That was the dumbest motherfucking line to me. Why? Because you gotta go to the you gotta go to the brains first. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to the brains first. I got the motor, got the transmission. I'm on the rear end. And then we on the outside. We're going to change the motherfucking paint. We're going to change the rims. We're going to get everything classy and fancy. But until then, it's not the time right now. We're trying to get our mind right. You dig what I'm saying? We need that mind and them legs right. You dig what I'm saying?